This is the fourth video of my $100 trading challenge. Yes, in the previous video, my balance had already reached $7,000. And today, I'm continuing my trading challenge. Can I push my balance higher? Okay, let's trade now and watch this video till the end to see how I grow it safely and quickly. Okay, let's trade on this market. As you can see, the market is always moving below the green line. This is a sign that the market is experiencing a downtrend. Yes, all we have to do is follow the trend and entry when the candle touches or approaches the green line. Actually, this trade is pretty risky because the green bars on the MACD indicator are already more than 4 bars. That's a sign buyers are starting to dominate. But this is the first time the candle has touched the green line. Usually, the market goes through another correction when a candle touches the green line for the first time. Okay, let's see where this market will go. Great! First profit from my green line strategy. Okay, let's look for profit again, but not in this market, because there are already more than 5 green bars on the MACD indicator, which shows the market is starting to reverse upward. Okay, this one. As you can see, in this market, there are already more than 5 candles moving above the green line, and there's also support from the MACD lines that have already crossed upward. So let's open a buy position on this market. Great, perfect entry position. Can my second trade bring me more profit? Let's see the result. Great! It's so really great! More profit from my magical strategy. Okay, I'm going to take another buy position in this market because it's still within the green line strategy moment. And now, I'm looking to multiply the profit I made from the first trade. As you can see, the green line and the lines on the MACD indicator are pointing sharply upward. This is a sign that buyers are still strong and ready to push higher. Okay, the trade has been entry, and I'll open another trade if the candle touches the green line again. Okay, my second trade has been entered. Let me remind you again. This strategy doesn't guarantee 100% profit, so we still need to use proper money management. As long as you manage your risk the right way, I can assure you you'll avoid big losses in trading. Always protect your capital. Good risk management turns losses into lessons, and lessons into profit. And remember, don't be afraid of taking losses. Every loss is not the end. It's just a step closer to profit. Nice! Our first trade is already in profit. Now we just wait for the second trade result. Yes, both of them ended up in profit. This is absolutely incredible. 6 trades today and all without a loss. This strategy is still very powerful. Alright, let's jump back into the market and hunt for even bigger profits. And we can't trade in this market anymore because the green line isn't as sharp as before. So let's look for a good moment in another market. Okay, this one. This is a good setup for the green line moment because the candles are only moving above the green line and the green line is pointing sharply upward. And also the lines on the MACD indicator are getting bigger and more spread out. This is a sign that buyers are strong. So let's entry a buy position on this market and entry when the candle touches or approaches the green line again. Oh no, we just spotted the doji candles here. This is clearest signs the market is losing strength. But let's give it a try with a small risk trade. Okay, the trades has been entered, and I'll open another trade if the candle touches the green line again. Okay, my second trades has been entered too, and let's prepare for the martingale 1 level. Martingale from the total initial capital that was traded. Okay, back to the charts and let's see for the results. Okay, my first trade ended in a loss this time. And my second trade only ended up breaking even. Okay, I will open a buy trade again on this market because the last candle still ended above the green line. Okay, martingale 1 level has been entered, and let's see for the results. Oh god, it's so close. One of my trades ended in a loss, but no problem. Let's do martingale level 2. And I will open a buy trade again on this market, but I'll wait for the current candle to close because the previous one was a doji candle. So we need one more confirmation candle before taking a position. Okay, the candle still ended above the green line, so I will open a buy trade again on this market. Okay, my martingale level 2 has been entered, and let's see again for the results. Great! Huge profit from my super strategy. This strategy's so super easy to use. This is for the history. 10 profits out of 12 trades. Yes, the green line strategy is still working perfectly, and my profit for today has reached $11,000. This is an amazing profit, and my balance has now reached $18,000. Okay, I think that's enough trading for today since we've already grown by hundreds of %. If you want to learn how to use this strategy and get free signals from me, just text me on Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you on the next video and happy profit!